When working on Microsoft Access application, I try to gather the inspiration from the web as well. So, on the web, if you have the mouse on a button or any control, you'll get a little pop-up that tells you what exactly this object is for. So you can achieve that in Microsoft Access as well. For example, I'm a new user, I'm using this application, I don't exactly know what this button does, let's just say. So I can, as a developer, I can build that feature. So when a user hover the mouse on this button, the user would see what this button actually does. So it's easy to achieve. Let me show you how to do that. So right click, design view, and I'm going to select button, and we'll go to the property sheet of this button. And I'm going to pull that a little bit so you can see, because it's a short video, it's video for shorts. So I have to pull it up, and you go to the property. Remember, you have selected the button and you're looking at the property sheet of the button. And what you would want is to go to the other tab of the property sheet, and you will see an option control tip text. In here, you type in whatever you want to be displayed when a user hovers the mouse on that button. So, for example, we will type in this button will help you to mark a product inactive, something like that. Whatever is useful information for your user, you just type in there. So let's close the property sheet. Let's save that. Let's check it out, how it looked like. So we are in the form view. Now I will hover the mouse on the button where we have made that change, and let's see how it will look like. So we bring the mouse here, and you can see that it's a nice pop-up. This button helps you to mark a product inactive. So that's how you can achieve it. By the way, you can do it for any text box, any button, any picture, whatever you wish to make it for. So this is really useful option in Microsoft Access. Check it out.